Hello you guys, in this video I am going to share with you the Quickbooks Online. Okay, for this one I just registered it for free. I will have free access within 30 days. You only have to register, and then they don't need you to have the credit card or debit card just to register this accounting software. So in this video guys, I am going to share with you on how to start with your business as a freelancing. Okay? So the first thing we have to do is we will check our bank chart of accounts. Okay? So we will click it here and this sign. Okay? And we will, here you go. This is the chart of accounts. Open up. Okay? So if you like to if it is easy for you to, if you have a big screen, this would be okay, but if you will have a small screen, you can actually run the report to see all the accounts name. Okay, if you want to have a copy of all of your chart of account, and then you can actually print it as a PDF, or you can print it with your printer. But usually I will do is I will just going to print as a PDF file. Okay, like this. Okay, I already printed earlier. Okay, so we will go back to the save customize. Okay, we will go back to the chart of account. The next thing you have to do, if you would like to edit your, you can click it here if you would like to edit the account name. Click here, edit, and then yeah, you can edit here. Yeah. mm That's for now. I will just close this one. I want to add another. If you have a multiple account for your, if you have multiple bank account, we can start it here. Click, we can add it here. New. Okay. Okay, for example, you will have a multiple bank account. The best thing we have to do is that we will create a major bank account. Okay. Okay guys, let's continue. Okay, when I check the chart of accounts, there's no account type under name bank. So what I did was, if you check it here, account type, we only have cash and cash equivalents. Okay, so I make this one. So I'm gonna, because I have, so for example, we'll have like three or two or four bank accounts. So we have to um, record the sub the sub like we have to record this there must be a major like account type as a bank, but since I don't have it here, so what will I do is I'll choose this one, cash and cash equivalents, and then I'll choose bank, and then this is our major banks. Okay, more major bank accounts, and then for example, if it is your bank is for checking account or current account, we'll just put this one, or we can put this one, the major bank. Okay, and then we will save and close. Okay, so now we will have, so I already added this one. Okay, I'm going to show it to you. I'm going to edit this one. Okay, cash and cash equivalents, account type, and then bank. So like for example, we have bank, first bank. Okay, so we will put bank account. So bank account first, or you can say one. Okay, and then we'll put here as current accounts, and then we will click it here, sub account, under the under here, bank accounts. Okay, okay, we will leave it the balance, we will add later. Continue, so we will add another bank account, new. Okay, cash and cash equivalents, same, and then bank, and then bank account. Okay, bank account number 2. Okay, for example, this is your what's the other account, current and payroll account, or no, what else, checking account, yeah, checking account. Okay. Subtitle, same, I'll click here, bank accounts. Okay, there you go. I'll add another one, bank equivalents, bank accounts, and then third third account, you can say like payroll account, or savings account, yeah, savings account. mm-hmm. Sub, and then same. Okay, and then save and close. Okay, so now as you can see it here, we already have 3 bank accounts. Okay, under from this name. Okay, but also it is up to you if you would like to make the individual account and no need to have the sub account. But for me, it would be easier for you. You will see the balance for each of the account, the total balance of each of the account. Okay, okay, as you can see it here, I added 1500, and then you will see also the balance here on the top. Okay, let's continue for the other bank balance. Okay, like for example, the our remaining balance like for 5000 for our savings account. Okay, close and save, close and save. Okay, okay, as you can see it here, easily you will be able to see the total balance of your 3 accounts. Okay, continue the other one. For example, we will have the checking account, we will have 150,000. 150,000. Okay, save and close. See, so there you have it. So it would be much easier if you will do it like this. Okay, okay, that's pretty much it for this tutorial. I will, if you like the video, If it is helpful for you, you can comment down below if whatever other videos you would like to discuss. So for now, I will be in this video, and then I will upload another video for making the chart of accounts. Okay. Okay, thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you in my next video. Okay, thank you. Bye.